Imagine living in a world when everyone is just very tolerant and they accept other people as they are. How many things we can learn from each other.
I would really enjoy having a colleague who is foreigner as well.
When I first came to Malta, I didn't have a job, so I didn't know anyone. It was a spontaneous decision to come here. I remember I worked for a while in a real estate agency. So when I would have clients and I would call the owners of the apartments to ask if they are available, the first question they would be, where are the people from, you know? So they would just immediately refuse to rent an apartment for someone who is not from Europe.
That fine line between white people and black people, I really felt that when I was younger, and it kept on going until recently, since I now am more aware of certain things, so I can now make my own decisions, but I still feel that there needs to be more inclusion.
I kind of built the life I have right now on my own, so it was quite difficult, and now being able to be a social worker and having this experience, I think it would allow me to understand the clients better and to just help them and to connect with them. I really feel that Malta is my home now. The people, I've never experienced anything bad in Malta. I never had the feeling that I'm a foreigner. I think it's a baseline to understand each other, to understand that we are all different and we are all the same in the same time. You know, we come from different places, we are brought up in different ways with different values, but in the end of the day, we are all human beings. We just all want to live our life and be better and create a better world.